Hey guys, I'm back with a really exciting double unboxing. This collection just got launched on Friday, and when I saw this print on Instagram about a month ago, I didn't know what items were going to be released in this print, and I texted two of my essays and asked them what was going to be released, and I got both of them today. One I ordered, delivered to me, and one I went in to pick up, but both were kind of pre-ordered, and I'm just going to get into it. This is the first item. Now, I've never seen this in person. In fact, you cannot even get this on the website. It was on the website yesterday, but there was no picture of it and you couldn't order it. But today I went back to check and it's not there at all. So this is a style that I had years ago. I had the multicolor one. And for whatever reason, I sold it. I think because at one point I sold anything that had gold hardware on it. But, you know, we'll see. Doesn't matter. I don't like long intros. You guys know this. So this is, obviously it's from Louis Vuitton. I don't know if I said that. And again, this is a true unboxing because I have never seen this in person. So we'll see how it goes. This is, I don't know if I said this yet either. Sorry, my brain is mush. This is the summer, Spring in the City collection or the summer canvas. Ooh, I'm having a hard time getting this out. It's the summer canvas collection, and oh, this is just my receipt. Oh, that's tight. So, here it is. And again, this is not available to purchase online. You have to get it in store. And I don't think, for me, I didn't find it in store. I had to have my CA order this for me. And I ordered it on Friday, and today's Tuesday, and I already got it. So that's good shipping. All right, here we go. What do you see this color? Do you see it? There it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's really pretty. So this is the Zippy coin purse in the midnight fuchsia color. And when I saw this print, I knew I had to have something in it because these colors, like this neon pink, I love. I'm not that much of a pink girl, but neon, bright, in your face, I love. So here it is. And then the back has the smaller LV, and it's more of a purple fading into the fuchsia here with a purple background. I love watercolors or tie-dyes, anything like that. So this is it so far. This is the interior, which I love. Bright pink. Here is the tag in case anybody wants to order it from their CA. I know this piece is going to be very hard. Oh, it smells so good. Very hard to get. So it's just the standard zippy. I haven't had the style in years, but I don't remember if it used to have the pocket right here. I feel like this pocket wasn't here. I could be totally wrong. I just don't remember. So this does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France right there. And this is it. Let me see if there's a date code. Probably somewhere. I think they still, do they do that on their SLGs? I know they don't do it on their bags anymore. Oh, there might not be. I don't care. Anyways, this is it. So that's the first piece. And the second piece, oh, I've bought this style 3 times and sold all 3 of them just because the first 2 just weren't special and everybody has them. The second time, or the one that I sold recently, I just wasn't reaching for it. But in this print, hint, hint, I wanted something totally unique, something totally stand out that when I travel a lot for work. When I'm walking through the airport, people are going to notice it and go, oh, look at her bag. So anyways, it comes in this gargantuan box or bag, and it is very heavy, which is concerning for me. Now, I only saw this in the store when I went to pick it up, but I haven't really looked it over much. Here it is. God, this box is so heavy. I don't like that. Anyways, here we go. My receipt just fell out. You might be able to guess what it is now since you know what print I just said, but here we go. To reveal. Oh, let me do this so that I can pull the straps out. I got the Midnight Fuchsia Neverfull. I had to. This color, I'm totally obsessed with this color. And I just, this is the most gorgeous Neverfull I've ever seen in my entire life. I can't imagine them making one that I would like better than this. So I decided to pull the trigger. Now, I will say it is disgustingly overpriced for a canvas bag. And I still can't believe that I paid what I paid for it. I did get it from the store. It retails for $27.10 plus tax, and I picked it up in New York City. So I paid $29.50 for a canvas tote. That's insane. I admit it, but look at the interior, guys. It's hot pink with purple, like the little flowers and little LVs. It is made in France. Oh, this is the little strap. This is the pochette. Now, I don't use pochettes. It's very thick, I will tell you, very well made. This is one side, and then this is the other side. And the little strap here is dark purple too. And then the inside is hot pink as well. And this one is also made in France. So I will tell you that this feels, let me put it in here. It feels thicker than the canvas tote that I had before. The Neverfull I had before. It definitely feels thicker. Yeah. So anyways, oh, the bottom looks like that. So it's dark purple with hot pink, smaller LVs. And then all of these are raised a little bit, and they have teeny tiny shimmers in there. You can't really see the shimmers unless you're really going to look for it. So I wish you could have seen them. I wish they made them more obvious, but this is the other side. So that's it. That's my, whoopsie. That's my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Neverfull and Zippy in the Midnight Fuchsia color. Oh, one thing I got too. I pre-ordered this because I knew this was coming. Let me go grab it. I ordered a Zumoni insert. And I got the dark purple because I thought it would be a really nice contrast. It matches the purple here. I thought it would look really nice inside the bag. So let me just pop it in here real quick. And of course it fits perfectly. And then I like the contrast of the dark purple because all the little flowers inside have purple, dark purple. So yeah, this is it. I can do a review or whatnot. You guys know what Neverfulls are like. If anybody wants to know any more information, leave me a message. Follow me on Instagram at bougiepunker. I'll leave my information below. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one.